Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to unbox this 35mm reusable film camera with flash, the BHF01. This is a no-name brand, generic, reusable camera from Corex, which is basically it's the exact same camera as the AGFA Sprite 2. Functionally it appears to be the exact same as the Codex as well. So this is one that I bought on Aliexpress for, I don't know, 17 bucks or something like that, and should be exactly the same as the rest of them. Looks like it even includes a very similar instruction manual and wrist strap. I went with the black and green. I just thought that was a nice combination. So now this says 28mm focal length on the lens, whereas the other ones either say 31, 32, or 35 or something like that. But other than that, like the front body is a little bit different, the front plate, but it appears that the top plate is, if not the same, all the buttons and interface elements are in the same place. The back is the same. Bet you that the inside's the same too. Inside is the same. Underneath, battery chamber and film rewind button are in the same place. AA battery, just like that. So this is the BHF01 focus-free camera from AliExpress.